Stream is a new mobile browser that can greatly improve your mobile experience on the iPhone. I'm going to show you on this next episode. Hi everyone, Tim Brown. Welcome back to my Apple Podcast. So I just discovered this new app that I'm really excited about. It's called Stream, and it's a browsing app that will greatly improve your browsing experience. And as you can see on screen here, I'm a big fan of browsers because there's some pretty nice ones out there. And you have to add Stream to the list. Check out this app. I'm going to go ahead and open Stream. And you can see right away, there's actually no sign of a browser actually present. All you see is a 100% web page. So, where do you see Stream? What does Stream consist of? Well, you can begin by just swiping up from the bottom. When you do that, you get a menu or tile menu down below. These are all of your open tabs. You can tap on any one of those to get to the page that you're looking for. There's also a search field right above it. If you tap on that, add any kind of keyword. For example, if I just type in Mac, you see that it generates a bunch of websites with Mac in it. So it has this smart search feature built in, almost similar to what was introduced for iOS 8, which is coming up this fall. I'm going to tap outside to get rid of that. Now there are two icons on the side too. There's a scissor tool, and then there's the icon for the app itself, which basically allows you to save bookmarks or stream them. So I'm going to tap on the scissor icon first, and you see that the scissor icon will then save an image for you that could be a link to that page. This is the one way of bookmarking, and you use two fingers to control the shape of it. So for example, I'm going to grab this image and then rotate clockwise and counterclockwise to determine how big I want this image to be. You're only concerned about the size at this point. Once you're satisfied with the size, you can then move it with your finger to select the area that you want to select. Then that will be the image that will bookmark your page. And you notice that down below you have lots of options. You can scroll, save to Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Pinterest. You can send a message. You can copy it, you can stream it, which will enable you to bookmark it to another page, or you can just save it to your camera roll, email it. I mean, that's how many options you have. So I'm going to go ahead and actually save it to my camera roll. That's cool. Now you can also save a page in another way too. You can actually, instead of bringing up the menu from the bottom, just take two fingers and just tap on the image that you want to save. When you do that, it will then bring up the image the same way it would if the icons appeared on the side of the browser. And likewise, you can turn clockwise and counterclockwise to save the image to the size you want it to be. And again, you have the same options. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and just stream it this time. I'm going to save it as a bookmark. Now let's swipe up from the bottom once again. So I showed you the tiles down below. Those are my tabs, the search window. And below the scissor tool is the stream icon. This is where you access your bookmarks. As you can see, I've been practicing, so you can see I've saved this image before. Tap on that image, and then you have the option once again to share it. Tap on it once again, and it will actually bring up that web page right down below. And you can scroll through that article you just saved. Pretty cool. It's so easy to use. Beautiful interface, ingenious, whoever designed it. This app is pretty impressive. Let's swipe back up from the bottom once again. And you'll see that I have my tabs. Now you press and hold on them, you can actually move them around. So if I press and hold on the first one here and move it, you can see I can arrange the order of them, which is really nice too. That's a nice option to have. It also has a settings icon in the bottom right. When you tap on that, you'll see here you have lots of options to choose from, including account options, sharing options. So you can set up all the accounts that you want to share. Login options, you can decide what search engine you want to use, which is nice. You can control the font size, which is a really nice option to have. And as you can see, I already have Pocket already connected. And you can clear your browsing data at any time if you want to do that. That will remove all the tabs that you currently have open. So as you can see, the app is clean. You can't see any sign of the browser whatsoever until you scroll up from the bottom. Tap to get rid of it. What you have here is a full browsing experience that is easy to use, that's gesture-based, and a lot of fun, and also very productive. This is Tim Brown. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of My Apple Podcast. Check me out at myapplepodcast.com or at youtube.com/myapplepodcast.